Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Facebook account completely private. What you need to do. First you need to go to Facebook and log in your account, and then you click in this small arrow and go down to settings. After that you go to privacy. Okay, now here you see who can see your future post. Then you click on edit and you can choose either only me or friends or specific friends, and you choose them. Don't make it public. Okay, and then here who can send your friend request? Everyone. Or friends of friends, you can choose. And here the next question, you can choose only friends or only me. And here who can look up using the phone number you provided. Yeah, you can choose either friends or only me, but if you use only me, that it will be much better. And here, do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Yes or no? Okay, then next you go to timeline and tagging. And here you do also the change. Who can post on your timeline? You can choose only friends or only me. And then allow others to share your post to their stories. Disabled, you would choose disabled. And who can see posts you are tagged in your timeline? Only me. And then I go to face and recognition, and here I choose no. Do you want to Facebook to be able to recognize you in photos and videos? I choose no. This is what you need to do if you want to your Facebook be completely private. I hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.